Hi guys, hi guys. Welcome to day 7 of challenge. 100 days videos about cricket. In this video, I'll tell you about IPL 2026 GT retentions. First, Shubman Gill 16.5 crores, Sai Sudarshan 8.5 crores, Rashid Khan 18 crores, Rahul Tewadia 4 crores, Josh Butler 15.75 crores, Kumar Kushagra 65 lakhs, Arun Rawat 30 lakhs, Shah Rukh Khan 4 crores, Washington Sundar 3.2 crores, Mohammad Siraj 12.25 crores, Kagison Rabada 10.75 crores, Prasidh Krishna 9.5 crores, Sai Kishore 2 crores, Gurnoor Brar 1.3 crores, Glenn Phillips 2 crores, Arshad Khan 1.3 crores, Nishant Sindhu 30 lakhs, Jayant Yadav 75 lakhs, Ishant Sharma 75 lakhs, Manav Sutar 30 lakhs. In next video, I'll tell you about IPL 2026 GT releases. Stay tuned for next video. Bye guys. Also support my other channel, Model Fish Lovers. Thank you.